Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning? Yes, I did. How about you?
I slept okay. What's for breakfast?
I'm thinking of toast and eggs.
Do you need anything from the store?
Yes, can you get some milk?
Sure. Do you want bread too?
Yes, and maybe some apples.
Did you finish the report?
Yes, I emailed it this morning.
Great. Can you check the presentation next?
Sure, I'll do that right away.
What time is our train?
It's at 10:30. We should leave soon.
Do we need to buy tickets at the station?
No, I already booked them online.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the pasta.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
Let me check. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, just some painkillers.
Excuse me, where is the nearest bank?
It's 2 blocks away, on the right.
Thank you. Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 5 p.m.
Did everyone finish their homework?
Yes, I completed it last night.
Great. Let's start the lesson.
What topic are we learning today?
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, do you have any plans?
Let's go to the park.
Sounds good. What time should we meet?
May I see your passport?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, just one suitcase.
What's your favorite dish here?
I really like the grilled salmon.
Should we order some starters?
Yes, let's get the garlic bread.
How spicy is the curry here?
It's mild, but you can ask for extra spice.
Can I have extra sauce on my burger?
Sure, I'll ask the waiter.
Should we try the dessert special?
Yes, let's get one to share.
Did everyone enjoy the food?
Yes, it was delicious. Thank you.
Should we make this a weekly tradition?
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Who wants the last slice of pizza?
I do. It's too good to leave behind.
Do we have enough drinks on the table?
Yes, we have water and soda.
Should we order dessert now or later?
Let's wait a bit before dessert.
Should we try the sushi section?
Yes, it looks fresh and tasty.
Have you seen the dessert table?
Yes, the cakes look amazing.
What's your favorite section of the buffet?
I love the salad bar. It's so fresh.
Should we go for seconds?
Yes, I want to try the pasta.
Do you think the buffet was worth it?
Absolutely. It had so many options.
Do you want fries or onion rings?
I'll take fries, please.
Should we get extra cheese on the burger?
Yes, that sounds delicious.
Do you like this new spicy chicken sandwich?
Yes, it's really good.
How long do you think the drive-thru will take?
It's moving fast. Probably 5 minutes.
Should we get milkshakes or soft drinks?
Milkshakes. They're my favorite.
Have you ever tried Korean barbecue?
No, but I'd love to try it.
What's the best dish in this Indian restaurant?
I think the butter chicken is popular.
Should we use chopsticks for the sushi?
Yes, it feels more traditional.
Do you know what paella is? How do you like the Thai curry?
Yes, it's a Spanish rice dish with seafood. It's amazing. The flavors are so rich.
Should we split the bill?
Sure, let's divide it evenly.
Who ordered the pasta?
That's mine. I can't wait to try it.
What did you think of the food?
It was good, but the portions were small.
Should we try a different restaurant next time?
Yes, let's explore new places.
Do you want to grab dessert somewhere else?
Yes, there's an ice cream parlor nearby.
Should we start with a glass of wine?
Yes, red wine would be perfect.
How do you like the ambiance here?
It's beautiful. The lighting is so cozy.
Do you want to share a dessert?
Yes, let's get the chocolate fondant.
What's your favorite dish here?
I love their steak. It's always cooked well.
Should we come back here again?
Definitely. This place is perfect.
Are you allergic to any food?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Do you prefer vegetarian or non-vegetarian food?
I like both, but I prefer vegetarian dishes.
How do you feel about spicy food?
I love it. The hotter, the better.
Do you enjoy trying new cuisines?
Yes, I love exploring different flavors.
What's your comfort food?
For me, it's pizza. What about you?
Should we book a table for your birthday dinner?
Yes, let's find a nice restaurant.
What kind of cake do you want for the party?
Chocolate, of course.
Should we order champagne for the celebration? How's the food at this anniversary dinner?
Yes, it'll make the evening extra special. It's perfect. I couldn't ask for more.
Do you think the guests are enjoying the food?
Yes, everyone seems happy with their meals.
How's the pasta?
It's great. The sauce is perfect.
Do you think the steak is cooked well?
Yes, it's tender and juicy.
Should we ask the chef for the recipe?
Yes, I'd love to make this at home.
Is the portion size enough for you?
Yes, it's just right.
How would you rate this restaurant?
I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10.
Have you tried Japanese food before?
No, this is my first time. What do you recommend?
Do you want to start with sushi?
Yes, I'd love to try it.
Should we order miso soup as well?
Yes, it goes well with sushi.
How do you use chopsticks?
Let me show you. It's easy once you practice.
What's the green paste on the plate?
That's wasabi. Be careful, it's very spicy.
Have you tried naan bread before?
Yes, I love it with butter chicken.
Should we order the spicy curry or mild curry?
Let's get the mild one.
Do you want to try samosas?
Yes, they're my favorite Indian snack.
Should we ask for extra rice?
Yes, it's perfect for sharing.
What's your favorite Indian dessert?
I love gulab jamun. It's so sweet and soft.
What's the difference between spaghetti and fettuccine?
Spaghetti is thin and fettuccine is flat.
Should we share a pizza as well?
Yes, let's order a margarita pizza.
Do you prefer white sauce or red sauce pasta?
I prefer red sauce. It's more flavorful.
Do you want to try tiramisu for dessert?
Yes, I've heard it's delicious.
Is Italian coffee strong?
Yes, it's strong and rich. You should try an espresso.
What's the main ingredient in hummus?
It's made of chickpeas and tahini.
Should we order falafel or kebabs?
Let's get both. They're too good to miss.
Do you want pita bread with the dip?
Yes, it's the best way to eat it.
How do you like the shawarma?
It's amazing. The spices are so flavorful.
Should we try the baklava for dessert?
Yes, I've heard it's very sweet and tasty.
Should we get fried rice or noodles?
Let's try noodles this time.
What's your favorite dim sum?
I love the steamed dumplings.
Do you know how to eat with chopsticks?
Yes, I practiced a lot.
Should we order sweet and sour chicken?
Yes, it's always a good choice.
Do you like the fortune cookies here?
Yes, they're fun and delicious.
Should we order tacos or enchiladas?
Let's get tacos. They're easier to share.
What's in guacamole?
It's made with avocados, lime, and spices.
Do you prefer spicy salsa or mild salsa?
I like mild salsa.
Have you tried churros before?
Yes, I love them with chocolate sauce.
Should we get a margarita or a soda?
Let's try the margarita.
What's a croissant made of?
It's buttery and flaky pastry.
Should we order the escargot?
I'm not sure. I've never tried snails before.
Do you like the French onion soup?
Yes, it's so rich and comforting.
Should we get a glass of wine with dinner?
Yes, French wine is the best.
Do you want to try crème brûlée for dessert?
Absolutely, it's my favorite French dessert.
Should we order the green curry or red curry?
Let's try the red curry. It's spicier.
Do you like pad thai?
Yes, it's my favorite Thai dish.
Should we ask for a vegetarian option?
Yes, they usually have tofu or vegetables.
How spicy is this tom yum soup?
It's very spicy, but it's also very flavorful.
Do you want to try mango sticky rice?
Yes, I love sweet desserts.
What's in a Greek salad?
It has cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta.
Do you want to try moussaka?
Yes, it's like lasagna, but with eggplants.
Should we order souvlaki or gyros?
Let's get gyros. They're more filling.
Have you tried tzatziki sauce?
Yes, it's creamy and refreshing.
Should we get baklava for dessert?
Yes, I love how sweet and flaky it is.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian food. How about you?
Do you enjoy trying new dishes?
Yes, it's the best part of traveling.
Should we explore more local restaurants?
Yes, let's try a new one every weekend.
Have you noticed how different spices are used here?
Yes, it's amazing how flavors vary by region.
Do you want to take a cooking class for this cuisine?
That sounds like a fun idea.